When you need something quick but simple, this coconut curry chickpea bowl always hits the spot. Creamy, golden, and made with ingredients you probably already have. You'll need canned chickpeas, yellow onion, garlic, coconut milk, curry powder, and a touch of olive oil. I like using full-fat coconut milk for that rich, velvety texture. It makes the sauce hug every bite. Start by warming a little olive oil in your pan and adding yellow onion and garlic. Let them cook until they smell sweet. That's the base of your flavor. Before you add your curry powder, toast it for just 30 seconds before the coconut milk goes in. It wakes up all those spices and brings out that deep golden color. If creamy comfort food is your thing, go ahead and tap like. It lets me know to share more cozy recipes like this one. Add your chickpeas, pour in the coconut milk, and stir until everything's coated in that golden sauce. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes so it thickens up just a little. That's when the magic happens. Look at that. Rich golden curry with tender chickpeas and all that silky coconut flavor. Simple, cozy, and perfect over rice or with warm flatbread. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.